Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will walk you through the exact process of how to find out recently deleted apps or games from your Google Play Store. For this purpose, you have to simply open Play Store and after that tap on top right corner of your mobile. Here is the option of profile. Tap on it and after that you will see the next option. Very first option is manage apps and device. Tap on it and here you will see manage option. Tap on it and now you will see the all apps that is installed in your mobile and not been deleted from your mobile. And to find out recently deleted apps, you have to simply tap on this device and after that there is the three option. You have to tap on last option, not installed. Tap on it and after that here is the recently deleted apps. To find out more recently deleted apps, you have to tap on three lines and here you will see recently updated. Tap on it and now you will see the most recently deleted apps that have been deleted from your mobile. These are most recently deleted apps and in this way you can find out the recently deleted apps. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more quick videos.